Welcome to our guide on decoding Bybit fees and maximizing your crypto trading profits. Bybit's VIP levels directly influence your trading fees, with higher levels offering more attractive rates. Let's break down the taker and maker fees for both spot and derivatives trading on Bybit. Understanding the funding mechanism for perpetual contracts is crucial for optimizing your trading strategy. Navigate withdrawal fees wisely by understanding the difference between internal transfers and on-chain withdrawals. Liquidation fees for margin trading and options can impact your profits. Let's explore how to minimize their effect. Before using your Bybit card, understand the associated fees to make informed spending decisions. Discover how Bybit's market maker incentive program can significantly boost your trading profits. Ready to optimize your trading? Click the link below to create your Bybit account and start maximizing your profits.